Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using LendUp Express loans. In this video, I'm sharing my experience using LendUp Express loans. For those needing quick cash, LendUp Express loans offer a fast and convenient online application process. Approvals are often granted within minutes, making them ideal for urgent financial needs. Loan amounts vary between $100 and $1,000, with repayment terms tailored to your state and the specific loan you choose. More details about LendUp and their products can be found in the description below. One of the most positive aspects of LendUp Express loans is their transparent fee structure. Unlike many payday lenders, LendUp clearly outlines the April, fees, and total borrowing costs upfront. This transparency allows you to make informed decisions about your finances. Loan durations usually range from a few weeks to a month, with possible extensions in certain situations, although keep in mind that extensions may incur additional fees. LendUp primarily serves individuals who may not qualify for traditional loans, such as those with less than perfect credit. Their goal is to offer a financial safety net for people facing unforeseen expenses who might not have access to other credit options. However, it's essential to understand that while LendUp Express loans offer flexibility, their interest rates can be quite high, particularly for borrowers with lower credit scores. Therefore, it's vital to carefully review the loan terms and conditions before agreeing to anything, ensuring the loan aligns with your budget. In conclusion, LendUp Express loans can be a helpful resource for those requiring quick, short-term financial assistance. However, due to the potentially high costs, they should be used only when absolutely necessary. Always thoroughly read the fine print and, if possible, explore alternative lending options to avoid excessive interest payments. Remember, this is just my personal experience. Be sure to do your own research before making any financial decisions.